Kani gadega Pyrthei TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kalempong peninam ki Krem ki balaju perlong jakare dau Syiem kahima Nongkhlau u Tirot sing Syiem. Hakapor ke jinge khon persya yaki dokle ke bala perlong hakalai bat sautrik mentau naiweng ha hima Nongkhlau. Keralong ke basongkon hadien badaki spangot ki pajba na kaleng karilum kasi jantia bat na barjela rukumjo kilato cekani ke jaka hakini ki ars lenter. Yaka Krem Tirot Sing Festival lasdang haka lai trek mentau naiweng yaka bala ple pajba dau menteri rong ba ke jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma ubah haka baning kong ula ple yo maunong rem na kabenta bantai yaka eco resort haka snong Nongkhlau. Hadin kene paru Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ple pajba yaka Krem Tirot Festival 2017 ke bala pelong haki ars lenter. Haka ni kesngi nalor menteri rong ba ke jela ringkat lang ki wede ki kenrem kelandan jong sarkar jela nang ta Syiem kahima Nongkhlau upa Frestar manik Syiem. Kilarong hak Krem ki beranam hak por Tirot Sing ubala Jepun kami kini ki Krem kum ki jakari haba ki sipai jong kari bilan ki Tuid yo. Nalor ki Krem kini ki kenrem kelandan ke lejngo ro ye ki wede ki jaka beranam hak ni kathan. Kentop ro ye ke jaka ke bau Tirot Sing Syiem uju perlong ya ka kum ke jaka bishar ki baki dakishen ki pausa senna na ke jinglong jingman kadur jong ki mau hak ni ke jaka. Ba ke dai ke jaka ke bau uju perlong kum ke jaka ban bishar.
Opportunity for all through sustainable tourism is the agenda of the government. When we talk about tourism, the tourism that we want to promote in our state must be sustainable. And we must take pride in vibrant way of life of our people and also the gift of God, the nature, of which we all can be really proud of. We have heard the Syiem referring to the memorandum, and I must share with you this good news that I have already sanctioned that project. It would have been proper and appropriate to lay the foundation stone for the same project as well today. But since we have not yet called a tender and work is yet to be allotted, therefore I thought it otherwise. But nevertheless, the project which was planned for Nongkhlau together collectively, it's done, and let's look forward to collectively move as partners. Friends, tourism is a sector that has to be driven by the stakeholders. Government has to only play the role of facilitator and regulator, and that is exactly what we are doing and we intend to do. But we need to look at all the available spaces to create our exclusive and unique products. As a state, we have diverse products. Meghalaya is different from other states. The western part, the eastern part, and the central tableland and the Mawson Ream, Chera Reams. I think we all have different, I must say, exclusivity of its own. Each place is different, and that is our strength. And that strength must be realized and tapped for the benefit of our people.
Kamairang Presbyterian Science College benta usnam kala kanjo sakish posnam kanthi nadu balasang ya ka hausnam Hajar nyo hakasngi bala kanthi yu kalama jong ka jingrakhe pan pansa nam yo new maumer basipo jong kani college haka laitrek menta ubnai menteri rang ba ka jelau Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ple pajba ya ka surak ban poi sakani ka college ka basdang nadu ka surak ba National Highway 44E Kabadan Sanspa Laipomitar ke Jingjrong, ya Kabala Pentrai Dakatnat Public Works Department Roads, Mairang Division, Lengba ke Chief Minister's Fund. Hakani ke jelang play ya kani ke surak laidan langru UMLA kani kathan uba met ba lingdo ke Deputy Chairman jong ke State Planning Board ikong Eureka lingdo kinong penya jong kani ke college hapo ke jinglam jong principal uba thank you kiwe de ki officer sarkar ki pastor ba ki teman basan jong ke Mairang Presbytery bar ki samla puri jong kani ke college. Hadin ke jing play ke ni ke surok menteri rangba ke jela ulah pliru ya ke jing rakhe jong ke jing dap sipos nam ke ni ke college hakani ke jelang u Dr. Mukal Sangma hakani ke sing ulah palpai baru ya ke kaiphan halor ke jing wat bnia ya ke kom bam jong ki breu jong ke snong mai rangba.
Happy 10th anniversary, Mairang Presbyterian Science College, and congratulations to all of you. And it is definitely an honor and privilege for me that on this auspicious day, I had the privilege of also dedicating the road that the government has been able to build as a response to your aspiration. You know, it's a wonderful moment because an anniversary provides us another opportunity to remember as to how this whole idea of establishing and starting this science college in Mairang was conceptualized and how all of you have come together. It's a bold decision that you must have taken at a point of time, coming together and establishing this institution, which I'm sure will go a long way in ultimately taking care of the educational need of not just the people of Mairang and the generation next of Mairang, but of all our friends from all the surrounding areas, maybe the whole of the West Cassis region and other parts of the state, and even other friends, other children who would like to come here and study. I've been looking at all these requirements in the field of education in as far as the support of the government that can be extended. That has been one of our focused agenda, education, social sector. And though we have tried to some extent, I will agree, I think you will all agree with me that we are just making a humble beginning. But wherever institutions have been established to provide access to higher education, we are definitely looking at how to extend the kind of support that we feel can be possibly extended to. I am already working on this along with my other colleagues in the Department of Education and the senior officers.
Kiwai de ke jelang ki bau menteri rangba ke jelau Dr. Mukal Sangma ulalet banyisem menta hakalai trek mentau nai weng haka hima nong klau kadairu akasni ke bakhaddo jong ka college week jong ka Tirot Sing Memorial College kabaran hakasnong Mairang hadin ke jing pelong ya kita masa ki babonjan na ki benta ki samla puri jong ka college habaro shite ulenter ke belas dang nadu ka lai putrek urisa balala hakani ke singi lapon kotno ya kini ka tayau tamasa hadin bagi samla ke lai shementa hak jing ko baper kan thop nadu ki jing la kai sports ki jing ko ki bede bat ka pule puthi ki jing la kai haloransan bat ki wede bat hakani ke singi lapon kotno ya kini ka tayau tamasa do menteri rangba ka jelau Dr. Mukal Sangma ringkat ke jiran lang kinong punya jong ka college bat ki wede ki belas akor ngoba.
I'm sure you had wonderful time, and such activities, not only during college week, I think the students, the young ones, must have enough time to engage in various physical activities. All work and no play. Ex-Jack and town boy. So we must be active physically, we must play. We must engage in various foreign activities and various other curricular, extracurricular activities and realize our respective potentialities. I wish you all the best.
Sakawai pat ke jelang ke bau menteri rangba ke jelau Dr. Mukal Sangma ulalet banyisem menta hakani ke ju hakasngi play perda ya ke Krem Tirot Sing Festival kadairu ke jing rakhe jong ke seng jong ki breu ki lapandap ya ke jing pule na ke St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang kani ke seng ke balatep kum ke St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Mairang past people hakani ke singi kala rakhe ya ke jing dap arsnem kanthi jong ke seng ke ba kila seng arsnem menchua halor kathong banle ai na kabenta ka ba kamian jong kani ka school ka ba kila pandap ya ka jing pule school bat kumno ban kan tewe ka khnang ba kani ka school kandangla ban a ya ka jing sakri ka ba khamjanai kat nang ya kisnam ban sakri na kabenta ki khna kani ka than hakaliang ka pule puthi.
By the time you prepare to celebrate together with the whole state the 50th year of glorious service of the school, you must have a better place to host all this. So that will be done. Thank you for reminding me, and thank you for giving me this privilege. Because we are trying to promote our beautiful state as the most favored destination. This state of ours will be the most talked about and most favored destination in the years to come. And it's time, therefore, for all of us to prepare to grab the opportunity that's going to be around our own respective backyards in the years to come.
You left me in all my pain.